History tells us that people were aware and value water, and many civilizations were born and ended around water. How not too late to say water's fate. Good afternoon, everyone. Topic for today's lecturate is water scarcity. In 2018, a Niti Aayog report stated that around 600 million Indians are living under the extremes of water scarcity. India accounts for 16% of the world's population, and only 4% of our people are having access to fresh water. The changing weather patterns and the recurring droughts are one of the reasons that are making India a water stressed nation. Even after being home to various flowing rivers, India is not able to fulfill the demand of its population when it comes to water needs. We all know that water is the basic necessity of life, and water scarcity is becoming the ultimate truth of our lives. In various states, the groundwater level have depleted to such an extent that the government are turning towards various other resources to fulfill the basic needs of its citizens. History tells us that people were aware and value water, and many civilizations were born and ended around water. However, in the modern era, people are becoming ignorant and selfish, and even after knowing that water is the centrality of life, they are not prioritizing its conservation. Various reasons which mount up to water scarcity includes mismanagement of water and growing population, wastage of water during agriculture activities, reduction in water management and water recharge systems because of the rapid construction which includes concrete and marbles, and the absorption of water by the soil is becoming hard. The water pollution is also quite evident, and because of which drinking water is becoming such a luxury. There is also a mismanagement in the distribution of water, as biasness is observed when water is distributed among people of different economic status and demographic location. When I talk about reversing the situation, it is important for everyone to understand that they need to play a part in order to save our nation from becoming a nation of extreme water scarcity. And we need to take small steps that with the help of the government and reverse this situation. Some of the steps include turning off flowing taps, replacing the dripping taps, conserving water through various methods like the rooftop harvesting and the rainwater harvesting, providing the farmers information and various modern ways of irrigations, introducing incentives when the farmer uses water in an effective and efficient way and conserve it. Charge should be implied on efficient uses of water. It is important for every citizen to realize their role in saving water for our future generation and use water in an effective and sustainable way to make our country healthy and not be under a chaos which could be caused because of extreme water scarcity. Thank you.